Well, this is day 2, second session of our Mosaic Garden Pole Workshop. And people are really moving along here. Obviously, everything you see needs to be grouted, and we'll grout on Monday evening. But this is Caitlin's, and isn't this fabulous? Look at the colors. I know, she's laughing at me. This is really cool here. I love this, the little diamonds set. And now she's going to put a topper on the top, and this is the top she's working on right here. So when she gets that mosaic, we'll put the topper on top. And this is a really cute little finial. This is Jeanette's, and she is all finished. She hasn't grouted yet, but she finished in our first session. She was very fast, and so she's not with us today. And I have to show off Elizabeth. This is just too freaking cool. Look at the little bird she's making. There's another bird. Yay! I'm going to come around and show the other bird, Elizabeth. Awesome. And Miss Jeannie with her architectural design. Very simple, but boy, does it ever work. Lots and lots of strips of stained glass. She's been working over here on the beetle cutting system and cutting lots of strips for her design. Miss Christine, crazy fun. Look at the mirror stripes. This is really going to sparkle in a garden. And this is what I've been playing with. Not so great yet, but I got a while to finish that. And yes, boom. Look at these. Aren't these colors fabulous? The turquoise with the pink and the blue and the lilac. These are Robin's favorite colors, go figure. And Miss Sheila, last but not least, look at this. So fun.
Take out her topper though, that's fun.
Oh, yeah, the topper. The topper is the ceramic cabbage, which is, she found at Goodwill, which is just perfect. So she's following this green all the way down. Look at that. And I love these little stars. So fun. And I think we got them all. Yeah. So we'll grout the next session, and when we'll be grouting in black grout. So all of these Mosaic garden poles will be really dramatic, and all these colors are really going to pop.